Purchasing precious metals can be a rewarding investment opportunity, but it also comes with its fair share of pitfalls and risks. Watch out for these common mistakes you need to avoid when purchasing your precious metals.
One of the most common mistakes that investors make is failing to verify the authenticity of the precious metal they are purchasing. To avoid this, always ask for a certificate of authenticity from the dealer. Additionally, consider using a reputable third-party grading service to authenticate the precious metal.
Another mistake is falling for scams or inflated prices. Scammers often try to take advantage of inexperienced investors by offering fake or overpriced precious metals. To avoid this, stay clear of precious metals dealers advertising on TV using celebrity spokesmen. You must do thorough research on the current market prices of the precious metal you are interested in, and compare prices from different dealers. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true.
Too many people choose unreliable dealers. It is crucial to purchase precious metals from reputable and trustworthy dealers to ensure the quality and authenticity of the metal. Look for dealers who have been in business for a long time, have positive reviews from customers, and are accredited by reputable organizations like the Better Business Bureau.
Another mistake is not understanding market trends. Too many people fail to keep up with market trends and prices. Before making a purchase, research current market trends, including supply and demand, geopolitical factors, and economic indicators that may impact the price of precious metals. It is essential to stay informed to make informed investment decisions.
A big mistake is not diversifying your precious metal portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk and protecting your investment. Do not put all your money into one type of precious metal. Instead, consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. This will help mitigate the impact of price fluctuations and market volatility.
And too many people ignore storage and security requirements. Precious metals can be vulnerable to theft, so it is crucial to store them securely. Invest in a secure safe or safety deposit box to store your precious metals. As economic conditions continue to deteriorate, the necessity of secure storage of precious metals becomes increasingly important.
By following these tips and being vigilant, you can avoid common pitfalls and mistakes when purchasing precious metals. Stay informed, choose reputable dealers, verify authenticity, diversify your portfolio, and secure your investment to make sound and successful investment decisions in the precious metals market.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and interest in our content. We hope you learned something valuable from this video. If so, please click the thumbs up, like button to let us know. Now, we recommend you watch this video next. It will further boost your knowledge and skills in this important area.